Welcome to Meechie and Mommy. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. If you want to see how this turns out, stay tuned, stay fun, stay cool, and stay spiritual. This is what you'll need. You'll need water bottles. You'll need shaving cream. You'll need 3 pigments of your own color. You need 3 containers. Who's ready to experiment?
I am.
Let's go. Wait! I need my goggles. Get started. You might need a parent's help. When you put food coloring on the shaving cream, it pushes through the cloud just like rain. Let's push it. Rainbow rain!
It kind of looks like ice cream.
On my honest opinion, this one did work, and it made me really happy and excited. Stay cool, stay fun, and stay experimenty.